In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get a discount code for instant funding so you can get 10% off your purchase. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to instantfunding.com. I'll both put that link and the discount code down in the description for you to check out. From here, you'll need to go over and click Start Trading. And once you're down here, you'll scroll down until you get here, where you can choose the specific program that you would like to purchase. And here you can just choose the specific one. You can change the platform from MetaTrader 5 to CTrader or MatchTrader. You can add the account type and an account size down here. You'll also be able to upgrade with add-ons by clicking on these two right here. Once you've done all of that, you'll simply need to click Start Now, and then you'll be directed into the checkout. Once you're in here, you'll need to go down to the total down here, and then right beside that, there will be a promo code. And here you'll be able to add in this specific promo code and click Apply Code. And again, I'll put that in the description below for you to get your 10% off. From here, you can either choose by Pay by Card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Confirmo, which is cryptocurrency, Rapid Transfer, Skrill Wallet, or Neteller. From here, you'll simply need to click I declare that I read the terms and conditions, and I declare that I read and agree with the refund policy, and then place order. From here, you'll get your account, and then you can start trading using the specific program that you chose a couple seconds ago. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!